Hello, and welcome to the LeapTrans SolarCast and SolarCheck software solution pitch. Let's start with the problem. Solar intermittency due to cloud cover and soiling hinders the reliability of solar power production, making balancing the grid an increasingly difficult task. Cloud cover over solar sites presents a challenge to both solar site owners and the retail utilities that purchase electricity in the day-ahead markets, leading to wasted resources as they cannot accurately forecast solar output in a way that accounts for cloud cover. The industry estimates $455 million of electricity production costs can be saved with a 50% improvement in forecast accuracy. When solar energy is envisioned to produce 40% of the nation's electricity, the potential savings increase to about $1.5 billion. There's also the issue of solar power degradation due to soiling, which can account for 2 to 25% solar PV performance degradation. LeapTrans possesses a unique approach to solving these problems. Our current competitors, existing and emerging intraday and intra-hour forecasting solutions, either use numerical weather prediction models and asset performance curves, which are notoriously inaccurate, or they require the purchase and maintenance of expensive hardware that takes images of the sky to provide on-site monitoring. LeapTrans' patent-pending approach allows the use of existing PV site assets, such as inverters, to act as an on-site sensor that tracks cloud movement without the purchase of additional hardware or equipment. LeapTrans software collects on-site asset data, incorporates crowdsourced weather data, and numerical weather prediction models that are then processed using machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques to provide forecasts that are 50% more accurate than other solutions. The SC2 software can also monitor soiling on solar panels throughout the seasons, providing predictive maintenance insight. Our current minimum viable product results can be accessed through the Solar Forecasting Arbiter. This is an open source solar forecasting evaluation platform supported by the Solar Energy Technologies Office. Currently, our software ingests solar site asset level data and weather data from multiple sources. It cleans, parses, and stores the data in a modern cloud-based infrastructure. It computes and presents the solar forecasting results in various time horizons into the Solar Arbiter. We are expected to begin active development on the final user interface and visualization capabilities, as well as a customer onboarding automation later this year. These software efforts are just a glimpse of the progress we've made since being selected for the set stage of the competition. LeapTrans has successfully secured a business collaboration and data sharing agreement with CPS Energy and plan to expand our forecast coverage across all their PV sites. We have been able to validate algorithms and methodologies of data acquisition during the American-made Solar Prize solar forecasting competition, a competition where we were declared one of the winners, I must add. We have been participating in the Epicenter Energy Accelerator program, which gives us access to coaches, advisors, mentors, and subject matter experts. We have built a relationship with the University of Arizona Center of Innovation to become an incubation company, and we are exploring the possibility of a solar forecasting demonstration by leveraging the solar zone at the University of Arizona Tech Park. Our experience, support, resources, and recent partnerships have led us to the conclusion that our target market is vertically aligned utilities that own, operate, or purchase energy from utility-scale solar. Currently, utility-scale solar in the U.S. is approximately 50 gigawatts, representing a market size of about $175 million, assuming solar forecasting solutions charge $3,500 per megawatt. By the year 2030, this is projected to increase to 500 gigawatts of utility-scale solar in the U.S. only, with a market size of approximately $1.75 billion. We aim to capture 10% of this market, which would lead to revenue generation of approximately $17.5 million annually now and $175 million annually by the year 2030. LeapTrans is currently led by Mr. Jeff Xu, Dr. Xiaoshuan Li, Mr. Anoop Murarka, and myself, Mr. Edward Hooks. The LeapTrans team has over a decade of experience building and leading startups in both the energy and technology sectors. LeapTran believes strongly that everyone should be included in the energy transition. Our mission is to equip the youth to be active participants in this transition by providing them access to technology and educational resources through city and utility-funded programs. LeapTran has established a partnership with a local charter school to help develop a dual credit program where students will learn about renewable energy, earn college credits, achieve certification in solar PV inspection, and secure internships with solar vendors before graduating. Our technology can be used to support a rooftop solar maintenance program, which will provide student job opportunities upon graduation. Moving forward into the go stage of the competition, LeapTran plans to work with CPS Energy to build a business case around this opportunity and strive to develop more in marketing and sales. Thank you for watching.